Hello everybody, time for some Zero AD. It's been a while. Today I want to answer the question that's on all of our minds. Does the size of the pole matter? Pikes versus spears.
Pikes versus spears!
So quick look at the stats. Pikes are a little bit more, or a lot more piercy. Spears are just a touch more hacky. The DPS is considerably higher for spears. Pikes strike harder, but they only strike once every 2 seconds. They have a bigger range for that, a range of 8 instead of 4. Pikes are a little bit better armored, but they are slower, as you might imagine, because they are carrying bigger poles. So, with no further ado, experiment number 1. 15 spears charging a line of pikes, and 15 pikes charging a line of spears.
ESD?
Everyone is fully upgraded. All the blacksmith upgrades are in place. So
ESD?
the spears won here with 4 survivors, though they just barely survived. And the spears won here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 survivors. Now, on behalf of the pikes, I can add like a coolness factor because they look a lot cooler. I mean, look at him. He's got a cooler helmet, a more intricately stylized shield, a more intricate, whatever you call this, shirt, cloak. And you can only make him in the barracks. You can't make him in the civic center. So for coolness and like the feeling of exclusivity, I can imagine giving him half a point. Alright, next experiment. Let's see who can better withstand a charge of 5 champion cavalry. These cavalry have all the upgrades except for Nicaean Warhorse. How are we doing here? Well, let's see how many survived. These are the pikes on the left. Alright, and the pikes left. 1, 2, 3 survivors, and the spears left. 1, 2, 3 survivors. Alright, that looks like no difference at all. Alright, next let's do spears versus pikes against elephants.
Praso.
Right,
Praso.
let's do it like that. Alright, here come the elephants. Alright, take 3. Now we'll do just 2 elephants against 20 spears, 2 elephants against 20 pikes on the right. Here we go. Wow, look at that. The pikes lost and the spears won.
ESD?
5 surviving spears and 1 surviving elephant on that side. Alright, so once again, now let's try attacking spears versus attacking jabs, and let's make them part of big complicated armies, which is more realistic. So we have 2 armies, 110 each. The one on the right is about 1/3 spears, and the one on the left is about 1/3 pikes. And we'll be attacking them with these big jumbles, which are identical. Champion swords, jabs, and a mix of cavalry as well.
ESD?
Alright, so let's go with both. So you guys attack in a jumble, and you guys attack in a jumble. It could be that pikes are more tankier, so when most of the damage is being done by other units, it's better to have pikes. Alright, so attacking the spears, how many survivors do we have?
ESD?
28 javelins and 9 cavalry. And attacking the
Yes,
pikes, many fewer survivors. Here we're going to have on
Yes,
both sides 10 cav archers and 30 javs.
Yes,
Here they'll be attacking a jumble of pikes. Just 10 pikes and 30 javs. And here will be 10 spears and 30 javs. Alright, let's do it.
Yes, Praso. Yes, Praso.
Oh my goodness. So on the left,
Yes,
the attackers survived with 5 horse archers. And on the right, the attackers were soundly defeated. So there you have it. The longer pole does not win. DPS counts. Let's also just demonstrate a foot race.
Yes,
Let's walk this
Yes,
archer and pikeman across a normal sized map. So, ready, set, go.
Praso.
So that 1 point in speed difference means about that distance.
Yes,
About
Praso.
from there to there,
Praso.
as you walk across a normal map, from there to there. Okay, so for the sake of science, I need to try to reproduce the outlier, which is the one the one pikeman success, which happened with big complicated armies when they were in formation. So here we have a formation of 200 soldiers, including 65 pikes, and here we have identical formation, except instead of 65 pikes, we have 65 spears. Both formations will be assaulted by a Gaulish horde of 150 soldiers, including slingers, naked fanatics, champion cavalry, jav-cav, and a little bit of everything that the Gauls have. So here we go. Alright, so pikes were on the right. So if pikes are stronger in this situation, they have a greater quantity of survivors than on the left. Here we have 78 survivors. And here we have 78 survivors. So the pike advantage is completely inconclusive.
Pikes versus Spears!